Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Opera browser to your Firestick in 2026. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. Now the first step you need to take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get it totally for free, just go to search and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it. And here is that orange application, which you need to get to the device. But then after you've gotten loader, it's not over yet, because still you need to set it up. So in order to actually start on loader, we'll need to go into settings. Here we are, let's open the settings. Then go into My Fire TV. And from here, we need to turn on the developer options. However, on some Amazon Fire Stick devices, especially on the new devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go into About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go into the installation of unknown apps. And from here, just locate Unloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we head back straight into list of apps on Firestick, open it, and there's the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say it will connect to UK right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back into a list of apps on your device, and now let's open Downloader and start using it. So we open the app, give it a moment to load. Then here at the top, there's a search bar, open it, and now it's time to enter a code, which will be 99187. So again, it's 99187. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And you might as well hit the like button below the video too. It truly helps me a lot. And that way even more people will see this video. And now the download of the app has started. The file is quite big, so if you got a slow connection, then it might take a moment. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Here you just need to click install and give your device some time to finish the installation of Opera browser on the Firestick. So since the file is big, it might also take a little bit more time than your device usually does. In some cases, it might be up to a minute if you got an older Firestick device. In my case, it's about 20 seconds. Then I recommend clicking Done, because that way you'll get this option right here to delete the unnecessary files from your device. So simply click Delete and delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Then, when you go back to list of applications, you will be finally able to locate the Opera browser. Of course, now if you want to stay private and totally out of trouble online and be anonymous, then don't forget to keep your VPN connected when using any applications on your Firestick. Once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use my link below this video to get 3 months totally for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.